And this is where 90% of engines get damaged, right after doing everything correctly. Because people hear the idea and assume they've mastered it. They haven't. Not even close. Here's mistake number 1. They warm the engine, but not enough. This is where most people lose the advantage. Because warm is not a feeling, it's a state. Your oil needs to reach full operating temperature. Not just the dashboard needle moving, not just 2 minutes with idling. Oil is thicker than coolant, slower to heat, slower to move contamination. So until it's fully hot, you're not cleaning anything.